Skewers meet curry magic, tender chicken, and vibrant peppers marinated in fragrant korma spices and paired with golden wedges. First, start by preheating your oven. Then soak the bamboo skewers to prevent them from burning while they cook. Meanwhile, chop the potatoes into wedges. No need to peel them. Pop the potato wedges onto a baking tray. Drizzle with oil and season with salt and pepper. Toss to coat evenly, then spread them out in a single layer. Halve the pepper. Remove the core and seeds, then cut into chunky pieces. Combine the mango chutney with the korma curry paste in a medium bowl. Season with salt and pepper, then mix together. Cut the chicken breasts into chunks and add to the marinade along with the pepper pieces. Mix everything to coat well. Place the potatoes in the oven. Thread the chicken and pepper pieces onto the soaked skewers, alternating between the two. You can roast in the oven or cook in a grill pan. Turn them halfway through to cook evenly. While everything cooks, make the dressing by combining red wine vinegar with olive oil and a pinch of sugar if you have it. Season with salt and pepper. When ready to serve, add the dressing to the baby leaf salad and toss to coat. Arrange the skewers on plates alongside the golden wedges and fresh salad. Serve with mayonnaise on the side for dipping. Sweet, spiced, and sizzling, these korma skewers will be your new dinner obsession. Like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more flavorful recipes.